Outlet wiring reversed is a super common issue that can totally mess with your home's electrical safety and appliance performance. So knowing how to spot and fix reversed hot and neutral wires is clutch. Alright, so first off, always turn off the breaker before messing with any outlet wiring. You don't want to get zapped. When you pop open the outlet, the hot wire is usually black or red, and the neutral wire is white. Check if the hot wire is connected to the brass-colored screw and the neutral to the silver one. That's how it's supposed to be. If they're swapped, that's reversed polarity, and it can cause shocks or damage to devices. Use a simple outlet tester from the hardware store to quickly check if the wiring is right without guessing. If you find reversed wiring, just unscrew the wires and switch them. Black or red to brass, white to silver. Tighten those screws good so nothing gets loose later on. After fixing, test the outlet again with your tester just to be sure everything's safe and sound. One of the biggest mistakes people make with outlet wiring is ignoring reversed polarity because they don't think it's a big deal, but it totally is for safety and functionality. Another common issue is mixing up the ground wire with neutral or hot wires, which can cause serious grounding problems. Always make sure green or bare copper goes to the green screw or ground terminal. A third thing people mess up is not turning off the power before starting work, leading to shocks or worse. Always double check your breaker before touching anything electrical. To fix these, take your time to identify each wire color correctly. Use an outlet tester before and after your work, and keep your power off until you're done. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff, especially for tricky electrical jobs like this. Contractors also get a shot at more gigs by connecting with real homeowners who need reliable help without the hassle.